Now, colleagues, having successfully designed our website in the previous module, today we continue in the same series for us to share how we can host this website, make it available on the world web. Now, we are privileged on call to have Mr. Mkarere Rogers, who is founding director of Shareability Uganda. Shareability Uganda has one of the services, web services, where we host websites, design websites, then provide domain name registration. I want us to take the privilege to invite him to share with us during this time. But like we had the interactive session in the morning, I want to invite us to still keep interaction via the chat room. And in case if you have any question you want to engage facilitator presentation, just hit the reaction button, put up your hand, and we ask facilitator to give comments that very instant. Otherwise, Mr. Mkarere Rogers, we are recording the session. Some of our colleagues who are joining in shall have to share with them. I want to take this privilege to invite you, sir, to take out module 5. Colleagues, if you can join me in solidarity, we can hit the reaction button and clap our hands as we come. Welcome, Mr.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, just okay. We are going to look at putting our website online, how to host the website. Many times we do design websites like we have been designing for UNEB, but we design them and we put them on a CD and that's all. A website which never sees the web is not a web, is really that is not a website which is not on the web is a dead website. The website has to be on the web if it is to be really a complete website. Of course, some organizations have websites on local area network, on an intranet, and they access them on that. But also we saw you can have a website on localhost. Yeah, but a website has to be online if it is to be really usable by everyone. So we are going to be having a task to have our website to go online. And I want to do it in a very simple way. And I want us to be interactive. And then by the end of the session, we need to understand the basics of web hosting and the control panel, which is used mainly for managing website when it is on an online server. And then we migrate our website, which we have designed on localhost, and then we put it online. That is something that we want to look at. And then from there, we shall now be able to maintain the website. That is something we shall be looking at in subsequent sessions. So for today, I'm going to, I don't even want to do it myself here. I wanted to ask one of our colleagues. I'm going to be guiding, and then she is going to post the website, her website. Yesterday, Scovia there showed us her website. I don't know if there are other members who have their websites, Mr. Serugo, Stuart, Mr. Teacher Ronald, whether you have something. Yeah, but I've talked to Scopia. I want to guide her as she puts a website online. Yeah, so I'm going to share some other basics notes later, but for now, let us first go directly on that. So, Ms. Augisha, please make Madam Scovia a co-host so she can share her screen, and then we see how to do this. Yes, good evening, Madam Scovia.
Yes, please.
Yes, so you are going to share with us the website that you designed on localhost. You first open it and we see. And then we see how we are going to have this website go online so that even people from America can access it and everyone can access it. Yeah, so that is the website that was part of our assignment, and it is right now on localhost. So now for you to host this website, you will need what you call a domain name, and then a hosting server. A domain name is what you'll be using to open the website. Instead of typing localhost, you will be typing your domain name, which resolves to the IP address of the server computer, which is going to be our host. So there are very many companies that you can use to register a domain name. They are known as domain registrars. There are very many. I don't know, colleagues, which ones you know. Madam Scovia, I want you to open. I can see you can go to Google, or you can go to ChatGPT, or any, then we are going to ask some popular domain registrars. Just type popular domain registrars, okay? Popular domain registrars. Okay. So when we are web developer, a complete web developer should also know about what we call domain. So when you design your website, you must get for it a domain name. So you can see one of them there is GoDaddy. First click on GoDaddy. So we have very many. There's GoDaddy. First click on this last one, the next one, 10 best domain hosting. Okay, you already clicked on GoDaddy. It's fine. It's fine. So what is it telling you? Buy your .com for as low as 0.99. That is around the 3,000 or 4,000, less than 4,000, $3,000 Uganda shillings. But one thing I would like to guide, we can actually buy a domain on GoDaddy, and then we set what we call name servers. We can point this domain to our servers, to the server where you want to host your website. So GoDaddy can provide you a domain name and can also provide you what we call hosting for your website. Now, most of the things that these domain registrars do is that they can give you a very low price to start to attract you. Then after that, next time when you are renewing, they can charge you more. So you should be careful, not only with the onboarding price, but also the renewal. You should find out the renewal price. So Najemba, which domain do you want? Maybe you can buy a personal domain. Try to type in there in that search. Type there. So there are other domain registrars, of course. First click on the top, the 10 best domain registrars, okay? So you find still they have put GoDaddy there. GoDaddy is an old domain registrar. It has been there for some time. There is Bluehost. There is Hostinger. So as the teachers, we should know about the domain registrars who are there. Personally, I've worked, this IONAS here also gave me a domain at some point cheaply, but I paid through the nose to renew. So you have to be careful to register register your domain and then be able to renew it. So so you should be able to get a domain register. So this domain registers, if you are to buy a domain, you have to buy the domain using your card. Like last time we talked about the cards. First, go back up and click on go to GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy. Let us use GoDaddy.
Site.
Yeah, you go to GoDaddy, the first one, GoDaddy. Yeah, so GoDaddy is a very common, popular host online. Now, we also have what we call local. Now you see, it has changed the price. Last time it showed you. Now, first try to search in there, put in there your domain name, a domain that you want. Maybe you can say nagiemba.com. Okay, you search. Okay, so this interface depends on the domain registrar that you are going to use. So it is telling you for the first year, it is how much? It is the 2.99, but the second year, it is telling you what? $22. Are you saying that?
Yeah.
So for the first year, it is charging you like, how much money is that, Mr. Ogisha? $3. Mr. Dumba, $3 is like how much?
Roger, just a moment. You can continue with the lesson.
Okay, it's fine. Okay. $3 is like 12,000. By the way, when you are calculating online dollars, it's like 4,000 per dollar. Yeah, so what you are going to do, we may not be ready right now to buy a domain, but what I can do is maybe Najem, what you are going to do, you can buy, so you will try out members. We don't limit you. You can try any registrars. We also have local registrars. Mr. Ogisha told you that as Shareability, we also provide these services. But now for us, what we do is we put our prices in Uganda shillings, and then you can be able to support you on technical aspects. If you go to buy on an international registrar, then you should be able to handle every technical thing. You should know domain configuration, name servers, what, and everything, because the other people, they're in UK. So, of course, you can reach out to them through their support. Yeah, but we also have local registrars. So if you had to search domain registrars in Uganda, then you could get others. So for now, if we are to go there, we may have to use a card to buy that. Maybe we are not ready for now. So you go to, let us use a demonstration. Go to Shareability. Just go to.
I'm back.
Okay, it's fine. I was just talking about the experience. So shareability.net. Okay. Let me just, I wanted to just show you, okay. So you go down where there's web services down. Web services, the third logo down. Click on web services. If we had loaded, someone would try, you go up. There are those logos which are there up. There are logos up. The third logo is about web services. Go up. Okay, so members, you should do explore the web, and web developers, we should explore. Click on the third one there. That one. Yeah, so okay, so when you are here, so this is now Shabit, we have this platform for domains. You try to search najemba.com. Okay, so search. So when you search, it is also going to give you whether the domain is available and other TLDs. So here we sell it at 49,140, close to 50,000. And we have others like the .org or the .net and others. So you can click on add to cart. So the process either on GoDaddy or everywhere involves those things of add to cart, checkout, click on checkout. Then click on, okay. So from there, you will see there's something known as name servers. That is one of the things you should note. They're asking you hosting because they know that for you to be able to host your domain, you should to have your website up. It's not only about the domain. There is also need for what? For hosting, okay? So hosting and goes hand in hand with what? With domain. So click on that part of hosting, click to add the already thing up there. There, click to add hosting. If you order for domain alone, it is possible. Maybe you have your own server elsewhere. So for now, you choose you can choose the smallest. The smallest there is that one of 2,500 only per month. That is the smallest package and shareability. Only that it bills annually. So that 2,500 is for per month. Then the domain already we had chosen najemba.com. So you can click on use. Okay. Okay, then from there, it will give you an order summary that you have chosen a hosting package of 30,000. So now the difference between the online and local is that with local, you are seeing local prices and you have local support numbers. With online, you have international prices and international support numbers. So, but you can use any that you can easily find, and you can also do reviews, by the way, and look at different registrars and choose the one you want. Now, here there is what we call a promo code. A promo code is normally provided when there is a promotion. And that promo code, many of the hosting companies, they provide promo codes periodically, and after some time, they remove them. So the promo codes, if you have one, you can put in there. And when you put a promo code, it means it will not charge you money at that point. Okay, so, or it can give you a discount on the hosting that you could be having at that particular point. So what you do, let me see whether I have a promo code here. So if you don't have a promo code, it will just continue with that amount which is there in the shopping cart. If you have a promo code, then if you don't have, then it will give you you will have to just go with that. So many times domain registrars like Enum, sometimes they have Black Friday, they have what? They can give you promo codes, and then you use those ones to buy and have things when they are a bit cheap. Okay, so what you do, you go to the promo code, put there this promo code, put there The promo code I'm going to put for you is, first put there Black Friday in capital letters. Black Friday. Okay. Validate code. Click on validate code. So this promo code, okay, it is saying the code entered does not exist. Okay, just scroll down, scroll down. You put free first year hosting, capital F, the rest are small, free first year hosting. Free, then first year, no space, capital F again. Free first year. Okay, hosting. Like that. Try to validate again and we see. So these promo codes, we normally put them for some time. Okay. They are telling you your promo code has been applied. So you can see this side in the, but I'm not seeing it giving you a discount. It is supposed to give you a discount and then you get down. So anyway, let me see. Let me see. Okay, do this. Go back and try again, just this last time. I know time is going. Yeah, you first go down. First remove, click on remove promo code. Remove. I think this one is not. Click on remove promo code. You put this one here last time. If it refuses, we shall just put there student, capital letters. Student. Okay, validate. It's still not applying. I think these promo codes have expired. I never set up. Okay, just click on checkout. Just click on checkout. Just go and check out. Okay, so those promo codes, I never checked them, but I'd set them sometime. I'll create some promo code and I will share one which is working later on. I will try to check. I think they are not applying to the product that you selected. I think when you are putting them, now there is this part of where there is sign in with Google. Are you seeing it? Sign in with Google.
Yes.
Click on sign in with Google. That one can be a quick way for you to do what? To sign in or to create an account. Click on your email. By the way, what we are doing here, you may say, now this, but these are the common processes that we meet when we are online, when we are either buying things online or whatever. Okay, so click on confirm. Click on confirm. Okay. Okay, so when you do that, it is going to pick your name, your email, just put in your phone number. The first time, it asks you for this, but next time it will just log you in direct without any disturbance. The next time it will just log you in direct to the dashboard. Okay. So now when you go there, company name is optional. Try to put in those details briefly. Let us a bit, I know time is moving. Yeah, so the process there, which we are doing there, you do it on any registrar. You create an account, you order for a hosting account, and then you should be able to get the logins to your cPanel. Okay.
So these are optional, I can leave them.
So city, yeah, put in the city, maybe Kampala, a street address one, you put there, maybe you put in a town. I can put, for example, Nabingo Wakiso. So you try to put in some few details there.
A city.
Yes, have you? Okay, state, you can put Uganda. Postcode, you can put 00256.
And 00256. I continue.
Yes, scroll down. Now, there is the down where there is payment details. It is going to give you mobile money or card payments via Flutterwave. Just continue. Then you click on complete order. Okay, so now at that point, it is going to bring that thing called the Flutterwave for payments. Now, as I wanted to give you a promo code and I didn't give you, so that means last time when we were looking at this e-commerce, I showed you that process. So if you reach at that point and you pay, it has not yet brought, just wait for it to load. So one thing I want you to notice that we have what you call domain registration, and then we have what you call hosting. These two things are annual. Now, like in this case, is 70,000. That means every year it requires to be paid for that particular registrar that has brought. Okay, but I think it is taking long to load. Okay, if it is taking long to load, what you are going to do is let me just a second. Okay, I think the payment gateway has. Okay, so just do this. Go up there where there is web services. Remove those things from the URL.
Yeah.
Remove those things from the URL and just go back to web services, the sharebit.net, just the website itself. Just want to show you something small there and then we proceed. Okay, go to web services again. Okay, so go to, I see where there is Scovia. Where there is Scovia up there, normally there is a Hello Scovia.
Oh, yeah.
There is.
I've seen it.
You have seen it, eh?
Yes.
So click there and click on, okay, come this side where there is services and click on my services. Services on the menu. Okay, so you can see there, that is known as a client area. So most of the web hosting companies have what we call a client area. And there, what it is doing, it is telling you that you are having an order that you have made and it is pending, okay? And so that's where I'm supposed to manage it from. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to activate it, and then you are going to see. So if you had if it had opened the other page, I think maybe it was taking long to load. You do just first click on billing. You go where there's billing. Billing. Then my invoices. Okay. Okay, so there you'll see your invoice there. So in the whatever, you can always find that as well. You can find, first click on the invoice there, click on it.
Yeah, from here.
Yes. Yeah, so there is also still an option now it has brought the, I think it has come back to this side for payment. So there, if you had the money on the card, you would put in there and then it would activate. After you pay, it sends you a receipt and then it sends you the logins. Now, what I'm going to do is this, within a minute, you are going to check. You're going to open your email. I'm here trying to activate for you. The process which is supposed to be automatic. Okay. Okay, so go to your email. Go to your email right now. Go to your email. So one, you are going to receive on your email. You receive. I'm going to. You receive two things. You receive those other emails which have come, and then you are also receive what you call a payment confirmation, and then you receive what you call cPanel logins. Okay, so you receive the cPanel logins, and the cPanel logins are supposed to show you your logins, the main registration confirmation, and then the cPanel logins. Okay, so let me just send you the cPanel logins. You're going to see them in a minute. Now, in this module of DIT in the book, we are going to see they have put this thing of cPanel. It is there. It is there. You should be able to know how to log into cPanel. So we are going to log in. Just a second. Okay, finished. Okay, so you check, you refresh. Try to refresh. You should. So you have received that email there. Okay. Okay, so now, so I think where there is control panel URL. Control panel URL. There is the 86 where it is an IP address. So that is a hosting email. So when you get a host, yes. So we have what you call a server which you are on, the username and then the password. Scroll down. Control panel URL. Now we have two things. The domain name sometimes takes time to, there's what called propagation. It takes some hours to get back, to get online. But you can access cPanel directly through the IP address immediately. So first click on that IP address, that one, 86. So the reason why you have domain names is just say open anyway. Yeah. So on the internet at first, we used to have people using IP addresses. But after some time, they introduced what we call what we call domain names. So now we are using that. So we go up, so it has brought you to setuppresence.com. Go back to your email. You are going to find a username and password. Okay. So log in. Okay, so you are logged in. Now, of course, I wouldn't have taken you all the other cycle, but I wanted to give you a quick idea. So now we are logged in into a computer online. This computer is where we are going to put our website. So it tells you a few things. It tells you if you want to start with WordPress or restore from backup, just close that X. So we want to get we have what we call file manager. File manager is the one that we use to navigate our files on the server. It's like the hard disk. It's like it is used for managing the file manager. So scroll down. Yeah, so look for file manager, continue down. Files, under files, see? File manager is there. Yes, click on that. So with that file manager, the place where you put your files is that public HTML. Public HTML, that is the htdocs of our WAMP. So you double click on that. Double click. Okay, so right now it shows you an empty directory. That is where the files are supposed to be located. Okay, so what you are going to do, I'm going to show you how to upload the files. So I want you to go to your XAMPP. Go to your XAMPP. And when you are there, you are going to go under that PHP admin. I don't know why it is. Okay, htdocs. Yes. So our website is there, Ginger Restaurant. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Yeah, so when you are there, you are going to right click on it and zip. When you're uploading a website, you first zip it. Okay. Right click on it and then add it to, put on in a RAR. It's better to put in a zip. A RAR is a bit sometimes complicated.
That's what
sorry.
what she's compressing is going to fail to upload.
Okay, let me cancel.
So right click and see add to zip.
Send it to.
Send it to.
You can just send it to
compressed folder.
This one.
Okay. Now, when you are uploading files from your local host to online, you have to zip first so that you can upload it at once. I don't know why your computer is a bit slow, but meanwhile, as it is zipping, I want you to go back to your WAMP. This icon on the taskbar.
Here.
Yes. click on admin where there is MySQL. Click on admin. Okay, so what we are going to do, the second thing we are going to do, a website is not only having files, it also has what we call a database. So if it was a static website, maybe like these ones we do on a CD, HTML, it would be a matter of just uploading it. But this one is not a static website. This one is a what? This is a, it's not a static website. This one is a what? This is a dynamic website. So it has the part of the files and then the part of the database. So what you do is you have the files uploaded and then you also have the database also uploaded. So your computer is a bit slow, but so what you do there, our website of Ginger Restaurant, click on Ginger Restaurant. Yes. Okay, so you are going to export. Click on export.
Export.
Up there. So this is our database which supports our site. So we need to export it as well. Okay, so from there, export tables, just click on go down here. So I'm taking you through all these things. There are even other faster ways of doing them, but these ones, they show you all the details involved in migration. When it comes to WordPress, we have some plugins which can make things even faster. But here I'm showing you everything from first principles and how they would have done. So you see down here, there is what we call Ginger Restaurant SQL down here, which has downloaded. Have you seen it? Yeah, so that is our SQL file. Now go back to cPanel. Has the other thing finished extracting?
No.
Okay, so you are going to, has the other thing finished extracting or it is still extracting?
It's still extracting. It's about to
okay.
finish.
So what you do, meanwhile, let us be uploading the database. So I want you to click on where there is a CP in the corner, click on the icon of CP. Click on the icon of CP.
Where is it? I don't see it.
The icon of CP after there. File, where there is the word file manager.
Okay. Here, the icon is CP.
Yes. Click on that. Okay, now we are going to go and create, we are going to create a database. So search, you look for where there is databases. Where there is databases.
Databases.
Okay. Then you click on database wizard. MySQL database wizard. My database wizard is faster. Can help us to so call it Ginger Restaurant. Call it without space, yeah?
A
So
small
we are now
J.
getting, yes, small J. Okay. Next step, quickly, let us do this. We are about to finish. Okay, now there is the there is what? There is the okay. I see where there is the password. Okay. Now for username, you put the same. Where there is username, put
Ginger
there
Restaurant.
Ginger Restaurant. Yes. Okay. Password. You can put in some password there that you can remember. Put in a password. For example, you can put maybe NJ with the capital N at 2022. You put in a password where which you can remember, and you take note of it because you are going to use it somewhere. So members, what we are doing here is we are under cPanel. Under cPanel, we are creating a database. And then after creating that database, we are going to import our earlier database which we exported. The password should be that one you put wrong at. You should put there a symbol. Put there numbers. Put there something like Najemba NS with capital N and then at 2020 maybe 2, so that it is a bit lengthy and having what and having the all the options which are there.
I've finished.
Okay, so now why is it saying are you putting wrong? How many characters have you put?
There are 7.
Okay, add another.
Okay,
I think
add something.
Okay,
So I go to create user.
Yes, so now you go to create user, yeah. Okay, select all privileges. Okay, scroll down and accept. So those privileges, they will enable your domain to what?
I go to next step.
Okay, yeah, next step. So, I want you to do this. Open a small notepad there. Copy that username and then even your password. Put there your username and password.
The username that I wrote.
No, copy this, first type the password there. Just this we are.
The password I used.
Yeah, the password you have used. Okay. Then copy that Najimba _ restaurant.
This one here.
Yes.
I also paste it.
Yeah, that is good. Nice. So we shall use those ones in our WordPress file. So now go click back on cPanel up there. Click back on cPanel.
And there.
Okay. Now go and select phpMyAdmin. Actually, you can just search up there, phpMyAdmin.
This one.
Yes. Okay. Click on Najimba restaurant. Now you are going to import. Remember, when we were on localhost, we exported, isn't it?
Okay.
So now here we are going to what?
Import. Oh, yeah.
We are now going to import. So click on import up there. Okay, so you are going to find a file to browse. I see where there's choose file.
Yes.
Okay, so click on choose file. And then look for the other file from downloads.
This one.
Mm.
I open.
Nice. So scroll down. Have you selected on import? Okay, so you can see our tables have been imported successfully. Now, we are finished with that. So now I want you to go back to CPAN. We upload, I think the other thing finished converting.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So
we are finished. Yes. Go to File Manager now. So a website has two things. A website has a website has what you call files and then the database. So go under public HTML. Now upload, click on upload.
And I go to where there is some.
Then you go to, go to local disk C.
This one here.
Yes.
I open.
Yeah, then you open, select it. So we are uploading now. According to this training manual, they talk about using FTP tools. So you can actually do whatever we are doing using, you can use what you call FTP to transfer files instead of uploading them through the file manager there. You can actually have them through FTP. FTP is another way how you can use. And for me, what I normally use when it comes to FTP, I use a tool called the WinZip. There is also what you call FileZilla, but WinZip is a very great alternative. As it uploads, just open a new tab there, and I just show you that quickly. So type WinZip. No, not WinZip, WinSCP. WinSCP.
SCP like this. Huh?
Yes. WinSCP. So with that WinSCP, you can, it works very well for me on FileZilla. Sometimes these tabs logs you out and everything, but this one, you can easily transfer files. So go to WinSCP downloads there, try to download it. So when you are teaching learners, sometimes, like especially when you are going to give them subdomains, you can give each one an FTP account, and then they can upload their website without going to cPanel. They can just log in, they can just upload their website without even going to cPanel. So there is a download somewhere, that one there. That one can enable you to try to download it, and we see. We can also quickly demonstrate it. So as a recap, quickly, has it downloaded?
Yes, about finish. Has finished downloading.
Okay, so click on it down there.
Okay. I run.
Yeah, run. That FTP tool, you can configure actually each computer and even you log in with an FTP. So learners can, especially for this case of DIT where they may not have much time, they can each export their websites to static HTML and they just upload them via FTP without going to cPanel, and the websites will be up. So they can upload them on the subdomain. So you can set FTPs to each one to upload to his subdomain, and then you'll be good to go. I'll close that. Okay, so you will open that, but you first go back the other side and we see whether it has finished uploading the other file. Okay, now click on that link which has go back to Najemba/public HTML. Now, right click on that zip. We uploaded it as a zip. Right click on it and say extract. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now, click on close. So enter, double click on that Ginger restaurant, double click on it. Double click on that and then select all. So these things are inside the folder called the Ginger Restaurant, but you have to select all. Click where there is select all. Up here, there is a button for select all. Among those things which are up there. Okay, then click on move. I think up there is somewhere where there is move.
Yes.
Okay, so move them. Remove that word Ginger Restaurant so that they are on the root of what?
Public HTML.
The root of public HTML. Good. So go to up one level. Good. So now, the last final thing that we have to do, there is that thing called WP options. Scroll down, there's a file called WP config. WP config, that one. Right click on it and edit. So there we are going to put in our settings for the database, which we set, and the password, and it shall be done. So click on edit. Edit down there. So inside there, I think where there is the database username. Okay, where there is database username, remove the word root. Go to the other notepad of ours. Go to the other notepad of ours. Copy the username. Then the password as well. Go and copy the password. Save. Okay, so that is it. That is the entire process for uploading the website. Click on close. But it can be faster than this, because there if learners are to upload, we would have already the other first process I took you through of buying what those ones are done early. So it's just a matter of exporting the database and exporting the file and zipping the files and exporting the database, and then you upload them. That is the main concept there. Now, I want you to first click on that cPanel before I wanted you to see your website live, but the domain has not resolved yet. So I want you to search FTP. FTP, I don't know whether there is an FTP account. Scroll down. I don't know whether it is here. I think FTP is not here. I think that one I will show it to you. I'll show it to you. I'll show you that one tomorrow. I'll get time and I'll show you FTP tomorrow because of time. Yeah. So so right now, if you go to your you go back to your email. So let me see how you can open your website. Just open your email. That email, hosting account information. The email above, the first one. Scroll down. again. So at this time, your website would be live, but there is something, the domain, since when you were ordering, there was no let me see. Your username is Najemba. Okay. So I want you to, I'm going to paste for you something in the chat that I want you to see. Okay, just copy that IP address. Copy the IP address, 86.48.1. Copy it. Open a new tab. Paste it. Okay, then put a tilde. Don't enter yet.
Sorry.
You had it to enter, because that is a general IP address. Just paste the IP address. If your domain has not yet come, you can still actually access the website through the IP address. So you press Shift. There is that button which is above tab. It's known as a tilde. The one before one.
Okay.
Then you put Najemba. But before that, first put a slash. After the 4, put a slash.
After the 4, before the tilde.
Yeah, before the tilde.
Slash, then.
Najemba. Like that. Now press enter. So you can access your website even without a domain. If you have hosting alone, you can actually access your website by putting the IP address of the server, tilde, and then you use your cPanel username. Now, it is bringing this error, establish a database connection, meaning that either there was a problem with our password and username. You get the username was supposed to be also the same. It wasn't supposed. First, copy that username, go back. Copy the username. Yes, copy the username very well. Najemba_restaurant. I'm seeing our time has really gone. That's finalized. Go back to the cPanel. cPanel. File manager. So after the Zoom call, I'm going to load someone on the card and I buy for your domain, and then you'll see it will just work. I'll share with you the link. Go to public HTML. Then right click on the other WP config. That one. So it brings that error, meaning edit. It meaning that we have a problem with our settings there. Otherwise, it should be connecting to the database very well. And scroll down. The database name is one which is wrong. I think you put a space.
The database name?
Yes, database name, DB name, define DB name up there.
Okay.
Line 23.
Line 23, yeah. Ginger restaurant. There is no space.
Yes, there is an underscore instead.
Okay, so I put an underscore.
You remove everything. It should be the same as Najemba_restaurant. So it should be the username and database were the same.
The database was Ginger restaurant.
No, they are the same.
They are the same.
Najemba
_
restaurant. Save. Okay, so now go back and refresh and we see. So your database and your username should be the same, really. It should be. Okay, so now you can see it is loading. Now, the reason why it is not showing very well is because in our database, we have, you can try to log in and fix it through permalinks, but you can even just copy that IP address, copy it. Copy the URL, copy the URL, yes. Copy everything which is there. Copy everything, okay? So go to your phpMyAdmin, because I have to show you all these things and you can be very good.
phpAdmin.
Yeah.
And the localhost.
Yes, you click there. Click on WP options table. There is WP options.
WP option.
This side down on the left pane. The left pane, this Ginger Restaurant and the tables. WP options.
WP options.
Mm. Okay, so I think where there is the localhost, what option value? Site URL. Double click.
Option value, then?
Yes, double click there. Inside the option value. Inside that HTTP.
This one?
Yes. So you are going to remove all the other things after the 2 slashes from localhost.
So
Delete. And then paste your thing that you had pasted, okay? Nice. Click also in the second one of home. That is the WordPress database. But again, you have in 2 HTTPs. So select everything and then you paste. Control A, and you have 2 HTTPs there. So you remove even you edit the first one as well. You remove 1 HTTP. Yeah. So when the domain name propagates, we shall just change that now to najemba.com and it will be working. So go back and refresh. Up here. Okay, it is still not loading well, eh? Click on something else.
Like?
Maybe restaurant menu.
Restaurant menu.
Now I can see.
Wait, Musirike.
First click on back. I've seen it has again brought localhost. Anyway, what I'm going to do, first click on back. I don't know whether the other thing never saved. First go back there, phpMyAdmin, but I want us to wrap up. Go to phpMyAdmin there. These ones have been edited, isn't it? You edited them, they are edited, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's fine. So let us just do this. Go to your website. Go to your website. Go to your website. There.
This one.
At the end, put there wp-admin. Enter. So that one should take you to the login page. But I've realized it is redirecting back to localhost. So it means it is having a confusion between the URL, the IP address. the IP address has there. Now, in a nutshell, let me first end here. But once, I don't know what is your main, I can see many of the colleagues have gone off, I think. Yeah, but I just wanted, if I'd wanted, I would just make a presentation, talk about domain, hosting, what, within a few minutes. And I wanted someone to do this step by step as we move. Yeah, but those are the main areas. So this other thing, which is of FTP, I will get another day and I talk about it since most of the members have gone out. But it's also part of the FTP and how you can configure the subdomains for people for your learners to just upload these websites through subdomain without even going to cPanel. Because you may have one cPanel, and when not all of them should be accessed, they may disturb others. So you can configure FTP and all of them just upload the static website for the sake of it going up. Yeah, so let me end here. My colleagues, Mr. Ogish and Mr. Dumba, have taken a bit long, but yesterday I shared actually a video of 30 minutes in the group when I was doing this entire process. I hope members can also watch it and they get. In that video, I was doing it on myself. So I set up a hosting account and uploaded the website and even talked about the FTP in 30 minutes. Yeah, so thank you very much for now. Mr. Ogisha. Mr. Ogisha, are you there? Teacher Ronald, I don't know whether people followed or people went off. Mr. Dumba.
Mr. Mkalili, I'm still there.
Hey, have you been following?
Yes, but we need to do this practically because it seems it's involving. The steps are many.
No, the steps are not many, only that now people were maybe it took a bit of time when I was starting and all that.
Probably her computer was a bit slow.
No, the computer was not slow, but there are some steps which are done, like getting the hosting and all that. That one, it's not learners to do that.
Yes.
But it's good for them to know about the entire thing, how things can be done. Now we have uploaded the website, but the domain was not yet active. Yeah, so
we shall do it again, I think.
Yeah, but the main points here is knowing the cPanel, the PHP admin, uploading the website, file manager, and then being able to have your website up. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. I'm going to try to log in here and try to do troubleshooting so that the website can be running very well.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Ogisha, we are ending here. Mr. Ogisha, I know whether he's on.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
He's not. There is Nora, Najemba, Stephen Dumba.
Yeah, there.
Oh, Mr. Mugisha is there. Mr. Mugisha is there. But
is there.
All right, I think we call it a night or a day.
Yeah, it's okay. We can call it a night. I'm going to follow through with some simple steps and some simple on this, and then people can use it to review. But we should be able to know the upload process and managing a hosting account.
Yes. Good evening.
Okay. Mr. Ogisha.
Hello. 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 So, unmute it. Hello.
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 Yes, you end the
Mr.
meeting.
Rogers.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Who is this? Mr. Dose,